Hello and welcome back, you guys. Do I have something special for you guys? I know I haven't been uploading in a while, but this is special. So I don't know if you guys know, I have a Challenger RT, and right now it's currently straight pipe. It sounds good, but not the way I really wanted to. So I was looking into MagnaFlow Super 10s. Sorry, you guys, I couldn't wait. I was excited and I opened it. But they're too freaking expensive, you guys. They're like, I was looking at Amazon, and they're the cheapest. I think they're like 75, 77 each, and they go up to freaking. I think the most expensive one I saw on Amazon individually is like 110. And in local shops for me around where I live, they charge me $455 to $500 to put a set of Super 10s, and I think that's a lot of freaking money just for some set of Super 10s. So I found this company, and it's called Total Flow, and they're freaking awesome, you guys. And I'm gonna show you why they're freaking awesome. So if you guys ever seen a MagnaFlow Super 10, you guys know. By the way, it comes in a nice packaging. You guys know how they look. Look at that. It's exactly like a Super 10 MagnaFlow. It just doesn't say MagnaFlow Super 10. But for a fraction of the cost, you guys, for a freaking fraction of the cost, you get MagnaFlows, and they're exactly the same. I don't know if you guys can see the chamber, but they're exactly the same arrow pattern that the MagnaFlows have. If you guys can see closely, I don't know if you guys can see. You see the line of the chamber, the arrow, where it's famous for the Super 10. Probably you can see better in the back. Yeah, there you go. You see the line of the chamber. And like I said, you guys, for freaking $23 each, or $25, I believe. It depends. I think it was $23 for me. And I even paid the same day shipping, which I think was $5 more. So a total of freaking $60 for two. For two, you guys. Not for one, for two. As you guys can see. It comes in a super nice package. It looks like a really good quality material. It looks nice and ready to put on. And I will show you guys a video of my currently how it sounds with straight pipe, and then how it's gonna sound with Super 10s. So stay tuned.